This story is about Brother Anansi and the birds at Cherry Island. One morning, Anansi was very angry. What caused him to be so angry? He liked to sleep in bed. And that morning there was such a noise in the yard that he could not sleep. When he awoke, all the birds were there. Big birds with long beaks, little birds with short beaks, green birds, yellow birds, birds with long legs, birds with short legs. "What is this?" said Anansi. "Why did you wake me? We come here so early because we have to go far away." "Where are you going?" "We are going to Bird Cherry Island. All the cherries are ripe now." "Can I come with you?" "Yes, you could come, but you cannot swim and you cannot fly. If each bird lend me a feather, I will fly." So each bird lent to Nancy a feather, and they flew away to Bird Cherry Island. There they were, they ate cherries all day until it was evening. The birds were ready to go home. "Come, Brother Anansi, we are ready to go home." "What, me? And leave all these cherries here?" So the birds took back their feathers and flew away, leaving Anansi. Well, evening came and Anansi wanted to go home, and he could not swim and he could not fly. He walked down to the side of the sea and to see if he could find a boat. He didn't find a boat. He looked into the water. He saw a big head with bright eyes and sharp teeth. He realized that it was Brother Alligator. "Brother Alligator," he said, "start befriending Alligator. I have some fine ripe cherries for you." "Bring them down to my wife. My wife is fond of bird cherries." So Alligator took the cherries down, and Mrs. Alligator was glad for it. It was late, so they said, "All right, Anansi, you can stay here for the night, and then we'll send you home in the morning." In the morning, it was his duty to take the 10 eggs that Alligator had to him to be washed. But in the middle of the night, he had already ate off 9 of the eggs, leaving only 1. He said, "Brother Alligator, I'll take the eggs one by one, because if I fall, they'll break in pieces." So Anansi took that 1 egg 10 times to Brother Alligator. The following morning, after the morning was rolling on, Alligator put him in a boat. 2 fishes rowed, and Anansi sat back in the boat. 1 fish could not hear well, 1 could not speak well. When they were far out at sea, Alligator discovered what Anansi had done. So he called out, "Bring back Anansi, bring back Anansi." The fish that could not hear well said, "What does he say?" And the one that could not speak well said, "Good, good, good." And Anansi said, "He says you have to row fast. A storm is coming." So they rowed fast and brought Anansi to his own shore. Well, what this story teaches is that you should not be ungrateful. The birds took him there, and then in the evening he suffered. He could not reach home easily. And it was only by luck that he got a ride to go home. And then he was even lucky that Brother Alligator didn't eat him. So he just escaped.